Welcome. In front of me is a Realme C51, and today I will show you how you can insert your SIM and SD card into this device. So, to get started, we'll need to grab a SIM ejector like this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, then you could just grab a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, either the paper clip or the tool, if you have a case on your device, you need to take it off. And the tray is located on the top left side of the device, right over here. So grabbing your tool, find a little insert hole and push the pin in. As you can see, the tray will pop out, enough for you to be able to grab it and yank it out. On the tray, you will have space for two different SIM cards, as you can see, and one dedicated SD card. Now, let's just quickly grab an SD card. Now I'm not going to actually insert it fully in there, just because I don't want to mess it up. But yeah, your SD card would go right on here. Make sure that it's laying flush on the tray, and so will the SIM, like this. Okay, so I'm just going to take it out. Now once your cards are in place, you can then carefully insert it into your device, and these cards should start working right away without any additional steps. Now that being said, the SIM card that I've inserted is disabled, so it won't actually work, but I can still show you that it works without any additional steps by going into the contacts and just trying to import contacts from the SIM, which will display them. It might take it a moment, but just to prove a point, import from, not file, import from SIM, there we go. And you can see that it's already pulling all the contacts from the SIM card. So it is obviously detecting it, it just won't show me any kind of reception because the card is deactivated. Now anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.